If you want to gain weight and muscle, that is, lean muscle mass, you will have to engage a two-pronged approach of eating right, and often, and exercising right, and left. This means eating lots of calories, protein and nutrients, and weight training at least 4 times a week. Try to maintain realistic expectations throughout the process. Take care of your body, rather than the body you wish you had. Focus on exercises that engage lots of muscles at once, rather than specific muscle groups. This can include squats, deadlifts, presses, rows and pull-ups. Do less with more. Push yourself to lift heavier weights with less reps. Your workouts do not have to last longer than 45 minutes altogether. Stretch before you lift. Your body builds muscle by tearing apart and then knitting together hardy tissues within your body. Stretching helps will aid your body's recovery between workouts and help you avoid injury. Change it up. Every few weeks, try your exercises with a different grip or slightly modulated position. This will engage different muscle groups you may have neglected. Consider keeping a weight journal to track your routines and your progress.